It's vacation time, Sabroso style. And we're recording it all on our GoPro Hero 7. We're heading to the Carolinas, both north and south, for some much-needed rest and relaxation. First stop, North Carolina, home of the Tar Heels. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. It is the Lord's Day, and we're going to worship at Elevation Church. And we want you to come with us.
From the Swedes. I just came back from a hammock. On a hammock, cold sand, and cold feet.
Too cold?
Going to the pool. Pool, pool, pool. We're going to the pool. Going to the pool. Yeah, 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 yeah.
It's cold, isn't it?
I could give you a hug.
I told him.
It's so cold. Ah!
So we're here chilling by poolside. My son's over there trying to get in, but the water's so cold that he doesn't have enough gumption to get in. I don't blame him because I don't like cold water. I like it when it's like 88 degrees. That's me. But it's been a beautiful time here in Myrtle Beach. Food-wise, it's been okay. Yesterday's New York Prime steakhouse dinner was pretty good. We got a pretty awesome deal on a kind of like a combo meal with porterhouse steak, cream spinach, asparagus, Caesar salad, bread, dessert, for a good price, and for the most part, it's pretty good. Our breakfast over at the Blueberry Cafe was pretty delicious as well. Outside of that, it's been pretty normal. I've been trying to scope out some Spanish eateries and some Latin cooking, but they're few and far between. There's a lot of Mexican restaurant, but other than that, there's not much more. But for the most part, it's been just a nice getaway, relaxing, and just enjoying being with family, just being together. So if you don't take vacations, I really encourage you to do so, because you need that time to unwind. You need that time to recharge, so that you can be your best you. It's also a time to connect with God, which I appreciate. So yeah, when you have this view, it's pretty relaxing.
Last day, last adventure of our lifetime.
Nice. So this is one of our last dinners here in South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. We are at Hook and Barrel. A little wedge salad here. Okay, so I'm of the opinion that when you're going out to eat, and say if there's a restaurant that has a specialty, like we're here at Hook and Barrel and their specialty is seafood, it's probably best if you choose a dish that is of their specialty, like a seafood dish, because that's what they specialize in. Not saying that if you order a steak that you're going to get a bad steak, but 9 times out of 10, when you order a dish that is of their specialty, 9 times out of 10 you're going to enjoy that meal because it's what they specialize in. Now, it's just my opinion, but it's definitely a rule that I live by. And here at Hook and Barrel, they definitely have really good seafood, and I think you really would enjoy it. Triple chocolate mousse cake. Wife's creme brulee.
Nice place, a caramel cake and an ice cream.
Ooh, baby, on that track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up that zoom, zoom. Oh no, please don't make that call. We don't want no calls, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in a zoom, zoom. Ooh, boy, driving by the shore, looking for some more, and my Rari going roar. Want you to work, I heard about your resume. Skirt, open up the sesame. Work, oh no, no, don't pressure me. Yeah, ooh, yeah, roll out with the referee. Curb, yeah, yeah, I'm turning left now. Burn, yeah, the rubber's on my chest now. First, no, you're not the first one. They done told me I'm the worst one. Yeah, always the...
So we had a great time, right, guys?